Hello everyone, my name is Cesar. Today I will be talking about the cybersecurity on the rise. I chose the title Cybersecurity on the Rise because I see how important and dependable a smartphone has become. Unfortunately, most people aren't aware of the rise on cybercrime and how easily they can be targeted. First, for my infographic, I did not use a template. I used blocks from visme.com, which allow me to choose the title, body, conclusion, and sources for my infographic. In this section, I follow the principle of alignment and proximity. The blocks show items as being one unit. I use a visualized number reflecting the risky transaction in the United States. I changed the icons of the blocks to become popular cybersecurity icons. To expand the limits of visme.com, I also use canva.com and obtain the mobile security icons. I group related elements with information that leads to cybercrime. Kaspersky has the most up-to-date security information for the past 5 years. With that information, I created a mixed chart infographic reflecting the overall decline in 2019. I also created a line chart because it clearly reflects the difference between some type of mobile threats. With the primary motivation of cyber criminals, money, I was able to create a pictogram that reflects the ad's revenue using the principle of similarity. And I end up describing some ways to mitigate cybercrime for smartphone usage. I use the principle of proximity because all information is related. In my whole infographic, I apply the 60-30-10 rule. Increases the font contrast to be able to read it, and I use about 3 different font colors with different sizes to clearly reflect the importance of the content. Finally, I concluded a short conclusion reflecting my personal opinion of smartphone usage, and I included the sources where I got my information from. Thank you very much, and let me know if you have any questions.